Yeah. Cheers. Hi guys, how you guys doing? So today is Saturday and me and my girls are going out. It is after 4 p.m. already, so let me show you guys what I'm wearing for today. This is the outfit of the day. Is it clear? Yeah, sorry it's not that clear, but this is what I'm wearing. This dress is from Chicotor. I got this for quite a while now, but this is my first time wearing it and it's so cute. So yeah guys, we are ready to go. Look at the back of this dress. I absolutely love it. It's a statement dress, okay? I feel like I should do a photo shoot with this dress, but yeah guys, that's, and I'm super excited. So we are getting ready to leave the house. This is a whole mess. I just got done doing my makeup, but yeah, I haven't eaten anything since morning because I just want to be hungry for tonight. Enjoy the food at the restaurant as much as I can. But yeah guys, let's go. All right, let's go.
Of conventionally grown.
Say hi guys.
Hi.
Who you saying hi to?
Both of us.
No, who are you saying hi to here?
Derek?
Derek? No. It's my YouTube friends.
Your YouTube friends.
Yes. Are you guys excited to go see Derek?
Yeah.
They like going out. So I'm dropping them at my friend's house, and then from there I will be going to the dinner. Yeah. Oh, what's that? Oh. So let's go. So here we are. Look who's behind me. That's my cousin. This place is super cute. Damn. This on the third floor, right? I think the stuff. Hello. Is the restaurant in the third floor? Okay, thank you. Guys, look how cute this place is. What the? Yes, this is beautiful. Come on. Love it. Ooh, look at the lighting. This place is so cute. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. Yes. Look at that one. Thank you. No, I ain't nice. I am money fresh. No lie. Bumawah lo.
Can I have the lobster roll? The roasted half chicken and leave me alone, truffle fries.
Then leave me alone.
I'm a fake vegan.
Cheers. I have to cheers to my YouTube friends now. Abby?
Okay. I'm F-R-E-E nigga freak. That means I got a woman bottom foot nigga cheating cause I'm S-I-N-G-L-E game and I'm
The plates. The plates are clear. Yeah. See this one. Nothing left here. See the chicken. African way of eating chicken. Yeah, this one don't clear up. This one don't clear up too. Now, wow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Kita mah nyakorom, ya kan nyakorom, I swear to God. Yeah. No, it's not my birthday. It is my birthday. It's mine. Thank you. Thank you. Why you punya raya deh? Aku loh dan nyunyir punya bebas dari apa? The birthday is going. Oh God, it's so extra. Sorry, rich girl. Aja bu you restoran dia deh. Perfume. Period. Is that Miss Dior? Beginner with my hand. It's not funny. You got a mind, but even that can change. You can flip the grain out and let some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a play. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you feel like you're pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do. Sorry, rich girl. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. This romance. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. And I have to fix. Yo, you have to fix. Hold on. Oh, just a number. Oh, she's so annoying.